Hello dear friends. Welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we're going to create a new design and effect using lines. I'd love for you to like this video and stay with me until the end. First, we head over to Google and search for the term scribble line. On the search results page, click on images to load the pictures. Then, go to Tools, select Color, and choose Transparent to see only images with no background. I'll download this image for our design. Now, let's move to Photoshop. Click Open and import the scribble line image we just downloaded. From the Edit menu, choose Define Brush Preset. Name your brush and click OK. Next, we import the main image for our design by going to the File menu. Using the Crop tool, adjust its size. Unlock the layer by clicking the lock icon. From the Adjustment layer, choose Solid Color and pick a color of your choice. Place the color layer below the image layer. Now, go to Add Layer Style and select Blending Options. Brighten the highlight of the current layer. Create a new layer, select the Brush tool, and choose the brush we just created. Set the brush mode to multiply. In brush settings, change the angle to -90 degrees. Add a few strokes with the brush, customizing the design to your liking. Move this layer below the image layer. Next, from the Select menu, choose All and copy the selection. Select the bottom layer and activate its mask. Hold down the Alt key, click on the mask, and press Ctrl+V to paste the selection. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask, and turn off the visibility of the image layer. Once again, go to Add Layer Style and choose Blending Options. Under Color Overlay, pick your desired color and adjust the opacity. Finally, select the mask and adjust the density to reveal parts of the image slightly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching all the way through. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more tutorials. Take care, and goodbye.